In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to secure your Facebook account even if the lock profile option doesn't appear, so let's begin. First, launch the app and click the menu icon in the bottom right. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, then choose Settings. Scroll to the Audience and Visibility section and select Followers and Public Content. Here, change to Friends whatever you want to keep private. It's up to you. After that, return and tap Profile and Tagging. Same deal here. Set the options to Friends depending on how private you want your profile to be. And that's it. Your account is fully secured. Now in some regions, as shown on screen, the original lock profile button might still be available. If you see it, just use it. That's the easiest way to do it, but if you follow the steps earlier, you've done the same thing manually. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.